Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely day and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snakes. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the words. And your stretchy snake is when you stretch out the letters and the sounds in the words slowly, and you go back and say it all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Cake. K-A-K. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go all together one more time. Cake. K-A-K. Good job, well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called Let's Bake. Here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Let's bake. In this story is Max, Tiger, Dad, Mitt and a tin. Dad taps. Dad tips. Tiger tips. Dad is mad. Max taps and Tiger tips. Dad tips it in. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning with me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or on Oxford Owl they have the play button where they can read it for you. This week's guide reading is going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, you need to click the link in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find the word down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work.